Hey guys, Joe here at JP Details, and today we're going to see if blow drying a car is actually quicker than hand drying. I'm also going to talk about the pros and cons of this contactless drying method, whilst at the same time giving you my honest review on my not so new heated car dryer. The car in question, which is going to be our subject vehicle for the video, is a Mercedes E350 CDI Coupe. The car was detailed back in July and it did receive a minor paint correction detail and the G-Technic CSL black ceramic coating. The car has been washed with the G-Technic Snow Foam, 2 buckets and G-Technic G-Wash, and it's now ready for drying. Firstly, the benefits of blow drying your car should be obvious, which is to offer the paintwork a non-contact method of drying. By reducing the amount of contact that you do make with the vehicle, i.e. through the use of microfibre towels or wash mitts, is going to prolong the time that the vehicle will stay completely swirl free for. With a blower such as the Gravitas 4.2 horsepower heated car dryer is also going to enable you to remove the trap water from the gaps and crevices. In return, there'll be no drips or runs when the vehicle is next moved. The other benefit that I find personally appealing about the blow drying method is that you can simply put the dryer back on the shelf and you won't have numerous drying towels to take home and wash. I must admit though, blow drying a vehicle, providing that you do it properly, should take longer than doing it by hand. Quite simply because it does take quite a bit of time to work all of the trap water out of the gaps and crevices. Within this time, if you are working outside, the likelihood of the water drying on the car is pretty high, and if the vehicle isn't ceramic coated, then chances are you will find yourself with a few water spots. These areas would need wiping over with a water spot remover, quick detailer or panel wipe, which kind of contradicts the reason as to why you were contactlessly drying the vehicle in the first place. In the winter or in the shade on a cool day, the blower should be fine, but if the vehicle hasn't already been detailed and ceramic coated or waxed or sealed, then you will struggle. You do need a smooth surface for these blowers to work at their most potential, simply due to the water being nice and easy to fling off the paintwork. Religiously, I will use the blower on every vehicle that gets detailed, although primarily the main reason is to blow out the gaps and crevices. All other cars coming in for maintenance washes or valeting services will get dried with soft and fluffy drying towels. If you honestly want to know what the best method is for purely drying your fully paint corrected and ceramic coated pride and joy, then I would highly recommend a water filter. With a water filter producing water at 0 parts per million, you won't actually be required to hand dry the car. The water would simply evaporate. Although if you did want to remove the water yourself, then one of these car blowers would be ideal.
Siempre un perdón, no te mentí. Ya no hay nada que me asombre. Malo porque siempre confío en ti. Te conozco, solo el nombre. Me dice que me ama cuando hay nubes grises. Pero me saludan mal las olas del mar. Ella es muy bipolar con tantos matices. Cuando dice que está bien, piensa que está mal. Ella dice que está bien, que son solo amigos, socios, nada que ver. Le tiene contraseña a nivel pro al ser. Sé que algo oculta pero no sé qué es. Oiga señorita, quisiera decirle solo una cosita, que mi corazón todavía palpita. Pa' que no lo dañes, que ahí es donde tú habitas, tú no estás de visita. Ella sabe que sin montar que tenga mejor nada.
The camera stopped recording around 3 minutes before I finished blow drying the exterior, so the total time spent with this drying method was bang on 30 minutes. If anything, I would say blow drying the car and all of the gaps and crevices does take longer than drying towels, but you don't get any drips, which is the main benefit. I've linked this heated car dryer in this video's description, but by all means go ahead and do your own research in terms of which car dryer is best suited to your needs. As always, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram, just search JP Details, and I'll hopefully catch you in the next one.
Todo era bonito cuando lo hacía contigo. Ahora te pido amor como si fuera un mendigo. Y para ser bien claro que respiran a Cupido y te traigan pica pica para tus supuestos amigos. Como quieras, y si quieres lo hacemos a tu manera. Y solitico nos dañamos el corazón. Duele bien cabrón, pero no importa, ya no vale la pena. Ella sabe que si monta es que tenga mejor nada. La lealtad es algo que ella no aprecia, no le interesa nada de nada de nada. Ella sabe que si monta es que tenga mejor nada. La lealtad es algo que ella no aprecia, no le interesa nada de nada de nada. Me dice que me ama cuando hay nubes grises, pero me saludan más las olas del mar. Ella es muy bipolar con tantos matices. Cuando dice que está bien, piensa que está mal. Me dice oh, pam 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 pam.